Why do employers need to hire an external candidate rather than promoting somebody internally? Here are the three things that you need to know. First, they want a fresh perspective. Some of the roles may need a fresh thinking or a new way of thoughts. Current employees may be already too deep on their current system, so they tend to shake it up. Number two, you were not too vocal about your goal. Most of the roles are being posted internally and externally. However, you have kept your mouth shut. If you do not show confidence in leveling up, that means to say management will see you uncomfortable of being in the position. You have to take note that visibility is the most important as well as your ability. And number three, the role needs an experience that you don't have yet. Do not take it personally. It is always the skills and the network. If this happens to you, please take note that you were not rejected. You are just being redirected. Use this experience as your fuel, not your failure. Eventually, your turn will come. It just need a perfect time. But it doesn't mean that you will stop to grow.